And you know what? You could have a serious talk.
About what?
With your people on there. It's like, listen, let me explain
They
something.
don't care.
Well, you know what? You can say what you want.
They're gonna say whatever they want. They're gonna be mad if they cut my hair. And because I've said before that I'm trying to grow to my butt, they think, oh, I can't, like I'm gonna die tomorrow. Like I can't get to my butt sometime in my life. Like her hair grows back.
Alright, so. Okay, so give me scissors, please. So I'm going to start off by cutting 2.5 to 3 inches. Let's start with that. Okay, so that's nice and clean. Okay, so hold on.
People be rooting for you. I mean, I get it. Like when I see girls cut like that, I like that have long hair and I like their hair.
Well, like you're saying, they need their hair cut, but they're not cutting their hair. It's like that's not a good example. It's like, listen, growing your hair is one thing, but having healthy hair is the goal. So it's like, hey, don't be afraid to cut it. And don't be afraid to be judged. People are going to judge you anyway. And you know what? You needed to do this because this bottom part here that I'm cutting off was really
be careful.
Irregular. I see that. Was really irregular.
Well, you can do whatever you want because I might end up just cutting it to my neck.
Well, this is it. I'm just right now. We're having fun right now. Just gonna wait and see how it looks.
If I like it, I'll leave it. Like whatever.
Okay. Well, that's cool.
The top is not gonna reach because.
Well, that's okay. Let's just see what it does.
Because it's so layered.
Hold that for a minute. Let's see.
But I cut it short the top last time because it needed it. Like it was.
Yeah, but you know what? This is your top right here is really irregular. I'm cutting it now. There was a section that reached, and there's a whole bunch that doesn't reach. So it's just like, all right.
That's why I say don't trim your hair, unless you're doing like one length from the front. Ouch. Sorry. I'm actually supposed to have my head tilted down because.
Well, I'm going to go back in anyway, so hold on. Right now we're just establishing length. Okay, so all of this, let me see what this is doing.
Just don't add anything. I'll leave it alone for now. If it doesn't match, just leave it. I want to see this. I just want to. Okay.
I'm just cleaning it up because it's really irregular. Okay. All right, so that's that.
Don't make layers. Don't trim.
I'm not. I'm just.
Don't trim though because I want to see what it's doing.
I'm trying to see what it's doing myself. Hold on a minute.
Okay.
Joyful because it's like, okay, we don't have to pray because it's like cut it all off anyway.
Because you're no angel either.
Oh, okay.
Cleaner, right?
Yeah, it does. Looks like how Prinshell did it when she first did it.
It's
But
cleaner.
it's shorter now. It's back to 10 inches. Looks like. I still have all these dang layers. I feel like there's at some point going to annoy me.
Okay, well, let me see if I can blend the front into the back, and let me see.
It does look better, but
All right, well, hold on.
Like,
Again, you might have to have a little bit more patience. Let me see what your angle is. What's your angle?
you gotta pull it to the front.
I am pulling the front.
That's the angle.
I know, I'm trying to see where your angle is.
It's all the way to the front.
All right, hold on.
Don't cut any in the front.
I'm not cutting any of the front, I'm trying to get the back where it blends better.
Cause you're no
Looks more blending.
Blending in. So try that before you cut all the back off.
What about the crown?
Hmm?
What about the crown?
This could use some beveling right in through here.
Like that. Look at this. And it says dry.
I know. I wasn't trying to take all the top off, but again. Here's the phone. Hold on. Play with that for me.
What do y'all think? Y'all about to be mad? Mad. It's like,
So does this side need more blending than this side? I'm trying to see. What do you think? How does it look?
this, no.
Okay.
I mean, I don't know. It looks fine to me. If anything, I think this side might need more, but I think it's fine. I think what I'm worried about really is
The back.
this crown, this stupid crown.
The crown doesn't look bad.
I know.
Dusty.
I might dust it myself because that's I already have it shaped a certain way.
All right. So you do the dusting, but for now, I think after you go back to the natural.
I'm back to where I started.
Yeah, but it's cleaner and it's healthier all over.
Okay.
I mean, it's clean and it's healthy. The back was looking kind of raggedy at the bottom, so hey, you can tell them that. Look, get over it.
I can hear that.
Yeah, hi. Say my mommy says so.
If you keep cutting your hair, you're never gonna get to your goals. This is a goal.
But it's
This
healthy.
is a goal.
It's long and it's healthy.
This is a goal.
Okay. Well, what you might want to say is that sometimes your original goals are not realistic because you don't realize
Your hair is not like everybody
that as
else.
time goes on, your hair needs intermediate intervention.
Right.
You know,
People like to compare your hair to other people's hair. It's like, okay, so I'm gonna cut it. She blended the front, the side, back, and now it's just this nice blunt haircut. I think it's back to like 10 and a half. It's basically back to where it was when Prinshell cut it. Except it's a little bit more. Yeah, so I like it. It's nice and full. I'm gonna like this. It's so blunt now. Alright, so I'm about to measure it real quick. Looks like 10 3/4. Let's try that again. Ten and a half.
Okay. All right.
Okay. Can you tell me how long it is?
Okay.
Bye. Is it 10 3/4 or 10 and a half? I can't tell. Give me a second. I just see that. Place it in the right spot. Okay.
Ten and a half.
10 and a half? Let's just go with that.
But you figure by the end of the summer, hold on, you're gonna do it like that. Hold on, hold it out like that. Where's the scissors? Excuse me. Hold it out like that. Turn around that way.
Cause I had it going like real perfect when I cut it.
Hold on, let me move your arm back. Put that arm behind me. Sorry. The back front meets the back. Let me see this side. I think this side is better.
Alright,
But it looks nice and
I'm sure when it goes back curly it'll look a lot
thick and
better.
felt.
And so it won't look so like a heart. Like it was looking like a big heart.
Yeah.
I was just like, I don't like the heart shape. I don't know. Should I just cut these pieces from the front a little bit?
Let me see.
Just from the front, just to let just.
This is probably the corner.
It's all good.
Okay.
Okay, how's it look from
Go
the back?
back. Let's see, what did that do? It looks good. You figure by the time, look, by the time this gets down to your chin, I think probably by the end of the summer that'll be down to your chin, and then the front will look better as it gets longer.
This is like 1/8 of an inch, so I'm not even cutting anything really. Just to clean it up, because it's not even. It's still really healthy.